As you know the rule of our class, so quickly you have to inform us from which school and city you both are joining us. Hey Shanvika, how are you? So I'm waiting for your answer, girls.
Shanvika, you can write it in the chat box.
All right, so let me tell you about this setting. You all will be on mute in demo class, but in upcoming sessions, you will be able to interact with the mentor freely, okay? This setting is meant just for today in demo class. All right? So whatsoever you have to say to us and you have to communicate with us, you have to just type it in the chat box.
Okay, Sanvi is joining us from Panvel. Panvel Kothari.
And what about Shanvika? Megam,
is
she's
typing.
still hopping here and there. Shanvika, tell us your school and city. Oh, so we have one more kid like you in our. Okay, so Sanvi is from Kothari International School. She's writing in bits, right?
Hi, Anshika. Oh, she left.
Megam, I want to know what Sanvi is writing. Are you curious to know that?
Ma'am, I'm so waiting for her.
Sanvi is writing something on her paper. All right, we receive answer from Shanvika. Yes.
Yeah.
Nice. I think Megam, we can have a chat links in the chat box then. So meanwhile, Megam is sending a chat links in the chat box. She'll be going to give a brief about that. I'll want to inform you the flow of the session. As I already mentioned, you will be on mute in session, but you will be able to interact with the mentor freely in upcoming classes, okay? So in first, you'll be going to have a look on the chat links. Then you'll be going to meet your mentor. She's already here with us. She'll be going to provide a brief introduction about herself to you. Then I'll be going to show you a short informative PPT along with the dashboard tour wherein you'll get to know that how you can have access of your material. Hope I'm clear to both of you. Show me a thumbs up on the screen if I have made you clear. Sanvi, you're not clear?
Great.
All right, so we can move ahead, Meghama.
Yes. Okay. So as you can see, some chat links have been pasted in the chat box. The first link is all about syllabus link. So if you want to know about your syllabus, you just need to click on this particular link to know about your syllabus. Payment can be made at this, click on this particular link. So if you're not enrolling for this batch, just click on this particular link, make payment and enroll for the batch quickly. Okay. And you can share your feedback and this clicking on this particular link. So just clicking on this particular link, you can feedback us anytime. For all batch details, just click on this particular link to know more about your batch details. So in case of further queries, you can email us at support@olympiadsuccess.com or drop us a WhatsApp on these two particular numbers. So I guess I'm just clear with all the chat links. Show me thumbs up if I'm clear to everyone. Yes. Hi, Devin. How are you?
So Deven, you will be on mute in demo class, but in upcoming sessions, you will be able to interact with us by unmuting yourself. Okay. So today, whatsoever you have to say to us, you have to type it in the chat box. All right. So inform us from which school and city you are joining us. Welcome, Vishwant Tiwari. Hope it's a child name or a parent name. Please turn on your camera and rename yourself if it's not a child name. Okay, Deven is joining us from Doha, Qatar. Yeah. School is ORYX, short form of the school. Good to know that. All right, so let me share my screen with you all now. Before that, I would like to make you meet with your mentor. She's a wonderful mentor. She's having conceptual clarity and she loves to interact with tiny tots like you. Her classes are very engaging and interactive, so I'll not speak much about her. She is already here, and I want her to give a brief introduction about herself to you. And she's in teaching profession since so long. So all over to you, Pranjal ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Hello, kids. How are you all? Yeah, very nice. It's feeling lovely to see you all like this. See, okay, let me introduce myself first. I am Pranjal, your mentor. I hope you will like the session. Uh, I am teaching mathematics from the last 5 years, and I will love to teach you all kids with a great enthusiasm and full of positivity. Our sessions will gonna be full of love, and we will do the sessions in a playful manner. Okay.
So are you excited to go ahead with the sessions? Oh, great. Good to know that. Yes. So I'll not take much time. Let me take you through the dashboard and a PPT, and then we'll start with the session. Okay. Just a moment, and I'm going to go with my screen. Yes, so I welcome all of you at the platform of Olympiad Success, where it is India's largest online preparation platform. We do offer a course named School Plus program, includes subjects, mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken and written, Vedic maths and coding. We do offer different one-on-one online preparation classes for different boards and for different grades. We do offer preparation classes for International Mathematics Olympiad also, that is SESMO, SEMO, HKMO, and so on. So you can meet our rank holders on the screen. They are kids like you only. So soon your picture will also come like this. So for this, what you have to do? You have to just spare every 2 hours extra from your regular studies. All right. So Olympiad examinations are a little tougher than the regular examinations. So take out your 2 hours every day from your regular studies and practice for this. Okay. So what are you going to get in these live classes? You'll be going to study in a group session with around 20 students delivered through Zoom platform by assistant tutors. So session will be 3 days per week. Days will be Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Timings will be 8 p.m. till 9:15 p.m. with 5 minutes of break. The session will include a mix of theory, practice, question, and doubt session. So you'll be going to get all your material, reading material, study material on the dashboard. Soon I'll be going to take you through there. So these all are the relevant links. No need to worry. Links have been pasted in the chat box and will again be pasted in the chat box. So the fees for this course is 7,802 rupees. It will be 35 session course. Payment can be made by clicking on this particular link. So if you have not enrolled yet, so what are you waiting for? Quickly complete your payment process and we'll see you in the classes. So what all you need for these regular classes? Just a laptop or desktop with good internet connection, a good camera for better picture clarity, a good headphones for better audio clarity, that you should not miss any of the explanation which will be going to done by your mentor in the classes. So we are going to start our regular classes from coming Thursday, that is 18th of July. So as you know that in 2024, so would like to inform you in 2024, Olympiad has students from more than 5,000 plus schools across India and abroad. So these all are the schools. So let me take you through a dashboard. Hope my screen is visible to everybody once again. So students, what you have to do, you have to just enter this URL, olympiadsuccess.com. After this, you have to just enter your user ID. Make sure that you enter your correct user ID. Otherwise, you will not be able to log in. So after logging in, you'll get your personal details on your screen, wherein make sure that you read each and every detail carefully. In case you find any error, you can just rectify it over here only, and you can click on update button for the updation of your profile. So after this, you have to just click on live classes, which is right after over here in my reference. So select your subject, for which specific subject you want to see your material along with the topic. So here is the schedule. So you can see everything is proper systematic. So schedule will give you clarity in which session you're going to cover with specific topic. So you can see after completion of each and every chapter, there is a test question also. So whatsoever you have marked wrong in the test, so you will get a test discussion along with your mentor that you can understand your topic in deep depth. Okay, so in end, there are super classes also. These will be going to go a doubt sessions and more practice sessions. Okay. So here is a holiday calendar for your reference that you can plan your days accordingly. Here is a reading material. So I'll be going to open set 1. So each and every PDF is downloadable. For that, what you have to do, you have to just click it here on the top, click here to download the PDF, and then you're good to go. So you can see the content is in detail for your better understanding, right? So here are in this way only, there are 3 more sets, so you can check it later on. So here are the question papers and answer keys. So I'll be going to show you one question paper that how you can attempt your practice. So yes, so I want you to download your paper, take out the printout, solve it, and then check your answer keys. So there's a lot of practice for you. So here are the answer keys. Right? So I'll be going to show you more practice worksheet where you can check that. That is in worksheet button. Select it, select your subject, and then you're good to go. So click on take exam. So you can see the instructions. Make sure that you read carefully and then click on start worksheet. After that, once you have done question 1, you have to move on question 2. For that, click on next button. In this way, you have to attempt all the questions. Just in case in any of the questions you have doubt, so you feel so that I want to review that question once again before submitting my worksheet. For that, you can click on select and mark for review. Okay. So it will come in the red icon. So the moment you're going to submit your worksheet, it will stop you. Yes. Okay. So second question I have marked for review. I'll be going to select the correct answer and I'm going to click on next button. So in this way, you have to attempt all your questions. So you can see there are 25 questions. So click on finish button for submission. Yes, I've reviewed all the questions. So now you want to check your performance. That you can check it over here, that how you have performed. Again, you have to select your subject. And you can see I've attempted this worksheet just now. So I'll be going to click on view button. So I've attempted 2 questions wherein both are wrong. Okay, so you can check your correct answers in review also. So that's all about dashboard. If anybody is having any doubt and queries, drop it in the chat box. I'll be going to answer your each and every query. So welcome Ansh, Sandeep. So these are 2 separate kids. I'm pretty sure they are siblings, right? So please rename yourself with your name. So good evening, Bhavya. Hey Vishesh, hey Vishwan, hi Raghav. Yeah, Raghav joined late. So you all will be on mute, but in upcoming sessions, you will be able to interact with the mentor freely. So whatsoever you have to ask, you can just type it in the chat box. Yes, Raghav, how may I help you? Okay, so you want to know the fees and class details again? Just a moment, I'll send it in the chat box.
Pooja ma'am, can I paste the chat link again because some of the kids.
Yes, you have to. Please do it. So the fees for this course will be 7,802 rupees and there will be 35 sessions. Okay. And your class days will be Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, and timing will be 8 p.m. till 9:15 p.m. Okay. So there'll be 3 sessions per week. So Megamam has pasted a chat links. So hope everybody is clear with that. And I have pasted a class timings and days along with the fees and sessions. So hope your Raghav, your query is answered. All right, great. So please turn on your cameras because we don't allow students to sit with cameras off in our classes. We want our classes to be more engaging and interactive. For that, we want to see your lovely faces.
Yes, that's more important.
So Bhavyan, Vishesh, Raghav, Abhishek, please turn on your cameras. Oh, yes. Now Bhavyan is in accurate position to study. Good. Good to see you, Raghav.
Pranjal ma'am is noticing each and every moment of.
Yes, she is noting everything on her mental tablet about her kids.
I have to notice these kids now.
Yes, good to see Adit. Welcome, Adit. So Abhishek and Vishwan, please turn on your cameras. So are you excited to go ahead with the demo? I think Vishwan is having some network problem. That's why his camera is off. Okay. So Abhishek, please turn on your camera. All right. So are you all excited to go ahead with the demo? Show me a thumbs up on the screen quickly if you are excited to go ahead. I want to see all thumbs up together on the screen. Oh, yay. Very nice. So good to go. All over to you, Pranjal ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello, kids. So now we are going to start our demo sessions, okay? So today we will learn about time. You all know what is time? Just type in the chat box. Fast. What do you think what time is? Till then, I am going to share a PPT with all of you. Tell me, everyone, what do you think? What do you mean by time? Is the screen of the presentation clear to you all? Show me the thumbs up if the screen is visible. Okay, very nice. Okay, so now I'm going to explain what is time. Okay, so the time is, see, there
So
is a clock.
whosoever annotating, stop annotating on the screen.
Yeah, ma'am. 1 minute. Yeah. So the time is an ongoing sequence of events taking place, which includes the past, present, and the future, right? Means with the time, with the help of the time, we are able to see what happened in the past what is going on in the present and what is going to be in the future, right? Now we can show our time by a clock. You all know what clock is? Everyone has clock at their home? Show me the thumbs up if everyone has clock at their homes. Yeah, you know how to read the time in your clocks? Who knows how to read the time in your clock? Okay, how many hands? There are two hands, one long hand and one short hand. Right? You know what the long hand is called as? Type it in the chat box. Long hand is called as? Type it. Yes, very good, Devin. It is minute hand. Very good. And what is short hand called? Very good, Raghav. Vishesh. It is called hour hand. Very good. Okay. As we can see, there is a clock. You all can see a clock now? Right? Yeah. There are two hands. One hand is on the 12 number and other hand is on 2 number. Right? The hand which is on 12 number is called minute hand. Clear? And the hand which is on 2 is called hour hand. It is called as hour hand. Okay. Type it in the chat box. What what can we call the hand which is at number 2? The hand on number 2 will be called as hour hand. And the hand on number 12 will be called as minute hand. Very good, Devin. Sanvi, very nice. Very good, Ansh. Okay. Now next is, if I want to denote this time, then how can we denote it? Whenever the minute hand is on 12, then we can denote the time with the hand at the hour hand. Okay, like as in this clock, here the hour hand is at 2 now, right? Show me a thumbs up. It is on 2 now. So we can call it as 2 o'clock. What can we call it as? See, I am showing you. It is called as 2 o'clock. Clear? Okay, beta. Now, next thing is, now how many numbers are there on a clock? Type it in the chat box. Very good, Devin. Ansh. Right answer. Vishnu Shanvika. Sanvi. Bhavyam. Very good. There are 12 numbers in a clock. How many numbers are there in a clock? 12 numbers. And we can also say these 12 numbers shows the hours. It means the 12 numbers, whenever we want to show that hours, then these numbers are used. Okay? And to show the minutes, how many equal parts are there to show the minute? Type it in the chat box if you know. Very good, Devin. Very nice. Anyone else? Very good, Sanvi. Shanvika, Ansh, very good. There are 60 equal parts. When a clock is divided into 60 equal parts, each part shows 1 minute. How many minutes are there? 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay? In 1 hour, there are how many minutes? Type it in the chat box. Very good. In 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. Okay? Okay, one more question is there. 60 minutes is equals to how many hours? Type it in the chat box. Very good, Sanvi, Devin, very nice. Ansh, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. Okay? Clear? Now, next thing is, if I, okay, from 12 to 1, how many parts will be there? From 12 to 1, there are two numbers, 12 and 1. How many parts are there? 4 minutes. Very good, Sanvi. Correct answer. There are only 5 parts. Okay? Very good, Devin. So it means for every between every two numbers, there are 5 equal parts. How many parts are there? 5 equal parts. Show it by your hand. Yes, 5 equal parts. Very nice. Now, I want to tell you that how can we tell the time to the nearest 5 minutes? Means we learned about now when the minute hand is on 12 number, then we can say it as the number of hour. Suppose if the hour hand is at 2, then we can say, and minute hand is at 12, then we can say it is 2 o'clock, right? We can say it as 2 o'clock. But if it is at 3, then what can we say? What is the time? If it is at 6, then what is the time? If the minute hand is at 9, then I will tell you how can we tell the time in this manner. Okay? See, there are 2 parts. You can see in your slides now, there are 2 parts. One is yellow one and other one is blue one. Right? Can you see? Everyone. So we can say this, the part which is on the left hand side, which is on your left hand side. Show me your left side by raising your hands. Show me your left hand. Everyone, I want to see your left hand. Vishesh, which is your left hand? Show me your left hand. Yes. So the part of the clock which is on left side, that is of blue color, is the 2 part, and which is on right side is past part. Past means that is already gone, right? And 2 means that is about to come. Clear? So whenever we need to represent the time in the past, then we say whatever whatever number the hour hand is on, whatever number, we have to say past that hour. Clear? Okay? And if it is about to come, then we have to say to the next hour. Okay? Clear? For example, see, here, when we talk about time in half past, here the hour hand is at, here, see the cursor, Here the R hand is at number 1 in this one. R hand is at number 12, right? Right? And the minute hand is at 6. Minute hand is at, write it in the chat box. The minute hand, where is minute hand and where is R hand? Very good, Bhavyam. Devain. Good. So whenever we need to write this thing, it means the R hand is at 12, right? So we will write it as 12 and minute hand is at 6. So it means 6 means half. Half of the clock is done now. So it means half past because that half time is gone. Half hour is gone. So we will write half past 12. Okay? Clear, everyone? We will see one more time. See here. In this one, in this clock, here R hand is at 1, right? And minute hand is at 12. When the minute hand is at 12, then we will say 1 o'clock. What will we say? Type it in the chat box. You will get unmuted in the live sessions, okay? This is demo session. For this session only, you are on mute. Yeah, very good. Very good, Shanvika. So we can write it as 1 o'clock. See this thing. We can write it as this. Okay? 1 o'clock. Clear? And next one is, if we want to, when the minute hand is at 6, then we have to say it is half past the number where the R hand is. Okay? Half past that number where our R hand is. Okay? So it is half past 12. Show me thumbs up if it is clear. Very good. Devain, is it clear? Very good. Very nice. Okay. Now next thing is, next is time in quarter past and time in half past. See here, when your minute hand is at number 3, when it is at number 3, okay, then what you have to say, what is the time is quarter, 15 minutes are gone now. So it is in past. Okay. So quarter past the number which on which our hand is. Quarter past of number 7. Okay. Clear, everyone? So also we can write it as, okay, I will also tell you one more type. How can we write the time? Okay. But after learning this thing. Now next is when only 15 minutes are left to come the next hour. For example, in this clock, see the next clock, when the minute hand is at 9, okay, then how can we denote the time? We have to say that only 15 minutes are left now for the next hour to come, right? So in this, for this, we can say that quarter to the next hour. In this clock, our hour hand is at 1 now, and it is about to come on 2. It is about to come on 2. So we can denote this time as quarter to 2. Okay? Clear? I am making a clock here. See, here is number 12, here is 9, here 6, and here 3. Okay? Now this is your center. This is the minute hand, which is at 9, and our hand is at, suppose, 6. Our hand is at 6. Now tell me, how can we denote this time in your chat box? Fast. Everyone give me answer. What is the answer of this? Devain, very good. Other ones? Bhavyam, very good. Ansh, very nice. Ansh, correct it. It is not 6. Shivika, very good. See carefully. It is not exactly 6. Adit, you are right. I'm gonna explain it. It is quarter to 6. What it is called? It is quarter to 6. Got it, everyone? Now see. Everyone got it now? Show me the thumbs up. Very good. Now next is, I'm gonna give you some questions, okay? See. Now what we're gonna do, if I say, what's the time in this clock? First one. Type it in the chat box. Very good, Bhavyam. Sanvi, nice. Shanvika, Adit, very good. It is exactly 6 o'clock. What is the time? 6 o'clock. Okay, clear? Now, if I say I have to write it in numbers only, then how can we write? See carefully. We just have to write the number on which our hand is. Our hand is at 6 now. Show me thumbs up if I am right. Right. So we have to write, what we have to write is 6 double dots, and when the minute hand is at 12 now, when the minute hand is at 12, then you have to write 0, 0. Okay? Clear to everyone? Now, next, when, see the third one now. Tell me the answer of third one. This one. Tell me the answer of third one. Bhavyam. But a third one, on which there is a tick mark. This one, see. Very good, Shanvika. Very nice. Adit, very good. It is 8:30. It is, see, 8:30. And if we have to write it in numbers, then how can we write? We have to first write the number 8, the R number, R hand number. Then we have to put 2 dots, right? To separate the R and the minute. And then we have to write the minutes. See, when your minute hand is at 6 now, then the minutes are equals to 30. How many minutes are there? Type it in the chat box. Type it in the chat box. Very good, Shanvika. Very good, very good. So we can write the time as 8:30. Clear, everyone? Now, next is second one. Now do the second one. Tell me the answer of second. Type it in chat box. In names, not in numbers. Tell me. Very good, Bhavyam. Good. Sanvi, good. Good. Adit, in the form of names, not in numbers. Very good, Ansh. It is 2:45 the next number of our hand. So it is 2:45. Show me with your finger. 2:45. Very good. Ansh, 2:45. I'm not able to see your face and fingers also. Very nice. Good. Also, so we can write here the answer of this is 2:45. And if we have to denote it in numbers, then we can write 2 double dots. And tell me how many minutes? When minute hand is at 9, then how many minutes are there? Very good, Adit. It is 45. Ansh, good. So the time is 2:45. Okay? Clear, everyone? Show me thumbs up if it is clear. Good. Very good. Now, fourth one. Tell me the answer of this. First in numbers, not in name. Yes, very good, Adit. Correct answer. Very good, Shanvika. Nice. Ansh, good. Good. So the time is 6:30 here, right? For this, the time is 6:30, right? And if we have to write it in name, comment, write it in the chat box. We have to write this answer in name. Shanvika, no. Think one more time. In name, half R is gone. So we can denote it as very good, Adit. Good. Very good, Sanvi. Sanvi, no, there is a mistake. See carefully. Ansh, good. Shanvika, good. As half past is gone now, so it is half past 6. Why 6? Which hand is on 6? Type it in chat box. Which hand is at 6? Minute hand. And Adit, where is our hand? Ansh, minute hand is correct. Okay, tell me, where is our hand? Type it in the chat box. Our hand is also at 6 now. Right? Right? Show me thumbs up. Means both the hands are on 6 now. Right? So the time is half past 6. What's the time for this? Half past 6. Okay? Clear, everyone? Now see the next one. Tell me the answer of next. 5th one. This. Tell me its answer. Adit, good. Others? Vishesh, very good. Sanvi, good. Shanvika, good. Ansh, good. It is 1:15. It is 1:15. If we have to write this answer in name, then how can we write it? Let's see who is gonna answer first. Type fast. 1:15. Shanvika. Bhavyam, very good. Adit, good. Sanvi, very good. As 15 minutes are passed now, so it is 1:15. Okay, so our answer is gonna be right. Quarter past 1 and also 1:15. Why 15? Because it is at 3. Our minute hand is at 3. Okay, tell me the last answer. Fast. Type fast, everyone. Very good. Vishesh, good. Adit, good. More answers. Good, Shanvika. It is 4:45. Right? Type the answer in names. Type the answer in names. Fast. Let's see. Very good, Sanvi. Good, Adit. Good, Shanvika. It is 4:45 and in names it is 4:45. Right? Very good. So you have learned about the time. Now next is just a moment. Now next thing is what time will it be? See this. Now we have two things, AM or PM. Okay, we have to they are used when we denote the time in 12-hour notation. Okay, we have two types of notations, 12-hour and 24-hour. Okay, when we denote the time by 12-hour, then we use two terms, AM and PM. Okay, clear? Show me thumbs up if it is clear. Everyone. Ansh, is it not clear to you? Am I clear? Okay, so type it in the chat box. How many hours are there in a day? Good, Ansh. Adit, very good. Sanvi, good. Vishesh, good. So there are 24 hours. Okay. How many hours are there? There are 24 hours. Now, what we have to do is, see, there is a midday, like in noon, when it is 12 p.m. In the afternoon, there is 12 p.m. now. Right? It is the mid time of the day. Okay? And the 12 one when we are sleeping is 12 a.m. Okay? From that time to the mid time of the day is a.m. part. Okay? Before noon is a.m. and afternoon is p.m. Okay? Type it in the chat box. Before noon is AM or PM? Before noon is AM or PM? Vishesh, very good. Good, Sanvi. Good, Ansh. Okay, so my next question is, what is your time of school? When you go to school? Type the time. With AM or PM? Ansh, good. The time of your school. Not just type AM or PM. You have to write the proper time. Good, Vishesh. Good. Good, Vishesh. Okay. You have given both the answers. Right. When our school starts, it starts in the morning, right? So it is AM. And after 12 noon, It is PM. Are they 2:45 AM or PM? Okay, Raghav, what is the time of your school? Sanvi, good. Yes, Raghav, very good, right? Okay. So am I clear about AM and PM? The time which is before noon is AM, and the time which is after time is afternoon is PM, right? Okay. Now I am saying 2 hours 30 minutes after 10 AM. Okay. It is in AM or PM? Just tell me AM or PM. Give me the answer in AM or PM. Good. Good, Vishesh. Shanvika. Okay, let me explain this. See, it is 10 AM and we have to add 2 hours 30 minutes, right? When we add 2 hours 30 minutes in 10 AM, we get 12:30, right? Right? And AM was in the morning, but 12:30 is after 12. And we got to know that when it is 12, then it becomes noon, right? And afternoon is PM, right? So the answer of this will be 12:30 AM or PM. Okay, for AM, show me one finger, and for PM, show me two fingers. AM or PM, everyone show me. AM for 1 and 2 for PM. Good, very good. It is 12:30 PM. Okay, tell me the answer of third one. 40 minutes after 11:45 AM. This one. Tell me the answer of this one. 40 minutes after 11:45 AM. Vishesh, good. Adit, good. It is PM. And what is the time? Exact time. If we add 40 minutes in 11:45, then it is 12:25. Okay. Now next is, okay, last one. Tell me the answer of last. 1 hour 35 minutes before 1:20 PM. Tell me the answer of this. AM or PM? Its answer will be in AM or PM. One hour 35 minutes before. Before means after or before? Do you know what is after and what is before? Show me thumbs up if you know. Show me thumbs up if you know what is after and before. Good. So 1 hour 35 minutes before 1:20 p.m. is AM, right, Ansh? Good. Very good, Shanvika. Good. Am I clear? Now next is, see what we are gonna do is, how can we find this? See here, we have to find the time and AM and PM both. So what we are gonna do, we have to add, right? Now in the first one, 2 hours 30 minutes after 10 AM. Here, see. So we have to add in 10 AM 2 hours. When we add 2 hours and 10 AM, we get 12 noon. Is it clear to all? Show me thumbs up if it is clear. Okay. And now we are left with 30 minutes only. So 12 noon plus 30 minutes is 12:30 and 12:30 is in afternoon. So here we use PM. Clear? Clear? Next one. 4 hours 30 minutes after 7:35 p.m. After means we have to add, right? So in 7:35 we add 4 hours. Okay? When we add 4 in 7:35 we get 11:35, right? And PM remains same because AM and PM changes after number. Type it in the chat box. AM and PM changes after the number. After which hour? The hour hand must be on which number? After which AM and PM changes. Good, Adit. Good, Ansh. Very good. Sanvi, good. Raghav, tell me the answer. Shanvika, good. Vishesh, type it in the chat box fast. Good, good. Good, Vishesh. Very good. After 12, when the hour hand is at 12, then after that, the AM and PM changes. So here we get 11:35. Now we have to add 30 minutes in 11:35, right? When we add 30 minutes, it becomes 12:05 and after 12, AM and PM changes now. So PM converts into AM. Okay? Clear everyone? Show me thumbs up if it is clear. Next. Now, we all know how many minutes are there in 1 hour? 60 minutes, right? Now, if I say we have to find number of minutes in 5 hours, then 5 hours is equals to 5 multiplied by 60, right? It is equals to 300 minutes. Clear, everyone? Am I clear? Show me thumbs up. Yes. And how many hours are there in 240 minutes? Now we have to reverse it. Okay? 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. It means 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour, right? So 1 minute is equals to 1 upon 60 hour. Okay? Now we have to find 240 minutes is equals to how many hours? So what will we have to do is 1 upon 60 multiplied by 240. Okay? We get the answer as 4 hours. Clear, everyone? Is it clear? Show me thumbs up if it is clear. Now, 1 day is equals to 24 hours. 7 days is equals to how many hours? 7 multiplied by 24. Right? it is equal to 168 hours. Okay? And 9 days, 12 hours is equal to how many hours? We have 9 days is equal to 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 9 days is equal to 216 hours. Now with that, we are given with 12 more hours. So we have to add 12 hours into 216. We get 228 hours. Am I clear? Everyone? Very good. Now next is tell me the answer. How many minutes are there in 10 hours? Fast. Type it in the chat box. Type in the chat box how many minutes are there in 10 hours. $600. Good. Ansh, good. Sanvi? Sanvi, check your answer. Adat, good. Good. Very good. Very good. Okay. One more thing. Now I am gonna do a recap, quick recap, what we have learned. Okay? Okay? Just answer me fast. You have, as soon as I ask questions, you have to type it in the chat box, the answer. Okay? So my first question is, how many hours are there in a one day? Type it in the chat box. Very good, Sanvi. Vishesh, good. Shanvika, good. Good. Very good. Every one of you know now how many hours are there in a day? There are 24 hours. Good. Okay. My next question is, how many minutes are there in 1 hour? Type fast. Good, Ansh. Sanvi, very nice. Vishesh, Ansh, good. Very good. Okay. Very good. Now my next question is, how many minutes are there in 4 hours? Type fast. Vishesh, very nice. Sanvi, good. Nice. Ansh, very good. Adit, very good. Okay. So my next question is, how many hours are there in 300 minutes? Think. Oh, wow, Vishesh, very good. Very fast. Ansh, good. Sanvi, very good. Very nice. So there are 5 hours and 300 minutes. Okay. And when we go to sleep, it is AM or PM? Good, Vishesh. Raghav, you also give answer? Very good, Ansh. Good. And when we wake up, it is AM or PM? Okay. Good. Very nice. Okay. So it was a demo and I hope you all like it. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Double, two thumbs up with both the hands like this.
I can see the
Yeah, very
excitement, Pranjal
good.
ma'am. They are super excited. So what are you waiting for? If you're not enrolled for this course, quickly just enroll for this batch, okay? And we'll see you in the classes. So quickly type it in the chat box. How was the session? I want to see. You have to type it in one word. Though I have observed you in throughout the demo, but I want to know from you. Okay, great. Excellent. Good. Very nice. So we are glad that you enjoyed the demo. So we'll be going to see in the classes. So when are your classes going to start? Quickly type it in the chat box. When your regular classes are going to start for this batch? 18th. Yes, that is 18th of July. So all right, everyone. Weekend is around the corner. So enjoy your weekend and we'll see you in the classes. Okay, everyone. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye bye.